We already told you what a backup box is. But not all backup boxes are created equal. Let's explore the differences between Toscano's Combi Pro Max and other brands. Unlike other brands, Combi Pro Max is installed directly into your home's electrical panel, eliminating the need for secondary installations and extra wiring. Combi Pro Max is an MCB POP with an added benefit: automatic reclosing. When an overvoltage of 275 volts is detected in the grid, the MCB trips. Once the voltage returns to its normal voltage of 230, the Combi Pro Max automatically resets itself, allowing you to have a fully automatic and safe system while other devices require a manual resetting. Plus, Combi Pro Max operates completely silently, unlike some other backup boxes that can be noisy. For a more compact, quieter, and hassle-free backup solution, Toscano's Combi Pro Max is the smarter choice. Discover the benefits of Combi Pro Max for your home. Visit Toscano for more information.